Hi sir, my name is Shashwat Kalra. I am currently 17 years old. I am from Delhi and my hobby is to play cricket. I joined JE this month in September 2023. I am preparing for Indigo Cadet Pilot program and I am going to choose for Chinese India. My experience is very good and the infrastructure in the Golden Fleets is very good and well maintained and the faculty is also top notch. My first experience was marvelous as the switch panels and the outside view was as actual as an A320 real cockpit. So it was a really good experience for me.